Okay, dear students, first of all, I welcome everyone in my ATX orientation for December 2024 session. Number one, obviously, this orientation is not going to be very long. The entire objective of this orientation is I'll be explaining you the paper format plus what exactly ASA, Abeel School of Accountancy, provides you in ATX. And a recent achievement of ATX, I will discuss that as well. And what is going to be the approach of teaching ATX to you? So, me, myself, Abeel Ahmed, principal, and your ATX tutor. Let's start from a very good news. In the previous session, one of my students, she took 92 marks in ATX. That's the highest marks of my students. 92 marks in ATX. 92 means a lot. Shruti Gopal, she took first position in India and she also took fifth position in the entire world. Along with that, one of another student, Sawab Fiza Nadeem, she took first position in KSA. And she also, the Sawab Fiza Nadeem, she was the second top affiliate in KSA as well, or second or third. So in the previous session, we have ASA has achieved two positions, one in India, another is in KSA. Okay, now let me first quickly discuss the paper format of ATX, and plus I will also discuss a very important question answer, that is why I strongly believe that passing ATX is easiest of all the four optional papers. So ATX should be your first choice. Why I'm saying this, just wait, I'll explain that. Paper format quickly. Section A, we have one question and the total marks, they are 50, okay? But out of that 50, let us change the color. Out of that 50, we have 40 technical marks. We have 40 technical marks and 10 professional skill marks. And getting professional skill marks is very easy. Obviously, you just need to watch all the lectures. Then you will have no issue at all when it comes to professional marks. You will be having a really good grip automatically how to get professional marks relating to the communication skills, analysis and evaluation, professional skepticism, commercial acumen, each and everything. You will be having a really, I would say, good command on each and every skill which you need to get all 20 professional marks. 10 professional marks you have in section A. But a very important point is, even though ACCA says that in question 1, we have 40 technical marks, but to be very honest, we don't have 40 technical marks. If you ask me, I'll say we have 35 technical marks. Because out of this 40, there will be a 5 marks question on ethics. And I would say is again one of the easiest 5 marks which you can get. I don't think so that out of this 5, I would say majority, they will be getting 5 out of 5 in this ethics requirement. So logically, in ATX, in the entire paper, there are 75 technical marks and 20 professional marks, and 5 marks are on ethics. So it means this is the only paper where you have technical marks only 75. I would not say 80. Question 2, total marks are 25. The breakup is 20 technical marks and 5 professional marks. Question 3, total marks are 25, 20 technical marks, 5 professional marks. So in the entire ATX, out of 100, logically, we have 75 technical marks, 20 professional marks, and 5 marks on ethics. So this is the only paper where actually the technical marks are 75. So you need technical knowledge to get these 75 marks. Obviously, getting these 20 professional and 5 marks on ethics, they're very easy. Okay. Time allowed is 3 hours and 15 minutes. That is a paper format. Now, one question which majority of the students, they do ask, sir, what is the, weightage of calculation and theory? So let me tell you a very good point that when it comes to the exam, your exam will not be 100% numerical. Obviously, you will have to write the theory as well. So if you go towards, in a really good detail, then you will find the theory portion in exam ranging between 55 to 60%. And numerical portion is going to be 40 to 45%. But obviously, when it comes to the drafting of ATX, it's very easy. It's very, very easy. ATX drafting can never disturb you until unless you want yourself to be disturbed. Otherwise, the drafting of ATX cannot disturb you. It's very easy. All you need is, number one, try to understand the rules. And second, obviously, you need to also, remember those rules as well. Because if you have understood the rules, great. But that after understanding the rules, they do need either you can say a really good amount of practice. Automatically, when you have done a really good amount of practice, so you will become in a position where you can memorize, remember the rules. If you remember the rules, you will not be having any issue at all in ATX. Okay, now. What exactly we offer you? ASA, Abeel School of Accountancy, offers you in ATX. Entire ATX within 84 lectures. And the good thing is, each lecture on average, it is just 45 minutes long. That's it. Just 45 minutes long. It means within just, I would say, within 60 plus hours. Let's say you can, if you want to be more precise, so around it will take 62 hours to complete the entire ATX. Entire ATX means entire ATX. And majority of the students, when they watch video lectures, they normally increase the speed and then they watch. So automatically this 45 minutes long video goes down to, I would say, somewhere 35 minutes. So good thing is the lectures are not very long. Okay, now, after that 84 lecture in which the entire course gets completed, entire ATX, plus with a really good amount of kit practice as well. Within these 84 lecture, you will find you will get number of kit questions as well. But after 84, there are practice videos and the practice videos, they start from 85, they go till 125. And if you ask me, that's my experience. So practice videos from 85 till 125, they are more than enough to have a really good command on ATX. More than enough. Again, in practice videos, the majority of the videos, they are 45 minutes long. Because the main thing is video lectures should not be very long. Because when the video lecture goes for 2 hours, obviously even 1.5 hours, students, they just lose their interest. So that is why I come up with a solution that lectures should not be very long. So there are practice videos. Now, the third product which you will be getting from us in ATX, that is a very, very, I would say, unique product. What is that unique product? Look at this. Entire ATX. We will teach you entire ATX. In fact, we will give you the live revision of the entire ATX. So I'm going to conduct the weekly live revision classes, and within that weekly live revision classes, the first objective is to revise the entire ATX. So within 18 to 20 classes, within just 18 to 20 classes, we will revise the entire ATX. And the good thing is, not only just within 18 to 20 classes, and where one class will only be on average 1 hour long, not more than that. So by spending, I would say 18 to 20 hours with me in the live classes, in the live revision classes, you will have the opportunity to revise the entire ATX with me. So obviously, if you miss that live revision class, the recording will be available. But I would say one thing, when I'm giving you the opportunity to study the entire ATX in the live classes, so why not? You should avail this opportunity. So this is the game changer, seriously. Because in ATX, you have to have a really good understanding of the rules. And second, you need to carry that knowledge with you also. You need to have a really good grip so that you can recall the rules. For recalling the rules, you need a really good amount of practice. Plus, you need to revise again and again. So what I have done, obviously, just try to understand. Within 84 lectures, entire ATX you have done once. Then entire ATX twice in the live revision classes. And story does not end here. Let me give you one more thing. Third, a smart crash course. Again, the entire ATX rules within 10 hours. So logically, when you are studying from us, so in one session, actually, you will be studying ATX 3 times. Within 84 lectures, you will get each and everything of ATX. Then you're going to complete the ATX second time with me in the live classes, live revision classes. And third, the smart crash course. And within 10 hours, you can revise the entire ATX. So if you have done the ATX 3 times in one attempt, 3 times, you have studied the ATX 3 times in one attempt. So automatically, I would say passing ATX becomes very easy. Okay. At least I'm going to conduct 10 tests, at least 10 tests, so that you can evaluate yourself. Either you are on a right track or not, either the rules which you have understood, are you in a better position to apply them or not? So tests are necessary. And each test will be followed by a proper video lecture. Proper means proper video lecture. And obviously, mock. At least 12, maximum 15 days before the exam, we are going to conduct your mock, and you have to submit that mock within 3 hours and 15 minutes. If you submit that mock with us within 3 hours and 15 minutes, you will get the personal feedback from me, personal feedback on that mock. I'm going to personally check your mock, but you have to submit within 3 hours and 15 minutes. And that mock will be conducted on a CB platform. You will get the same environment which you are going to face in exam. And the product number 7, you are going to get the focus notes. Focus notes within 92 pages. Just within 92 pages, entire ATX gets completed. Okay. If someone is, okay, these 92 pages are more than enough. There's no need to read any book. No need means no need. Focus notes, 92 pages, they cover each and everything of your syllabus. So if you go through all these 7 products, I would say, then results is going to be phenomenal. You can get really good marks. Like one of my students, she took 92 marks in the recent attempt. 92 means a lot. Okay. Now, what is in the syllabus of ATX and what will be the sequence, how we are going to study the ATX, just a little idea. The head of ATX, obviously, let me tell you one thing before doing all this discussion. No matter taxation paper you have passed recently or you have passed 5 years ago, or you have taken the exemption. You should not be worried about ATX at all, because when I'm going to teach, I teach always from zero, from a scratch. I always assume the student, they don't carry any previous knowledge. When we'll be starting our ATX journey, inshallah, from this, I would say Sunday, the live revision, first live revision class is going to be on this Sunday. When we are going to start our journey, so let me tell you one thing. I always teach from zero. So we will start the lecture of ATX from tax. Then what is tax? Why governments they charge tax? What are the objectives? So we'll start from tax. So let me clear again. We will study each and everything from scratch, from zero. I never assume that students they carry any previous knowledge. Never ever. Always I always teach from zero. But you are not supposed to prove that. So what are the topics in ATX? Obviously, taxation for individuals. Now, when we say individual, so individual could be an employee. So if someone is, doing job, so how do we apply? What are the rules for employment income? What are the rules for property income? If someone has given the property on rent, so what are the rules for the property income? For the sold, what are the rules for the sole tradership, partnerships? If an individual is having the dividend income, if individual is having the saving income, so what are the rules? All these areas you will be studying in individuals. Then capital gain, CGT. Then the second topic is going to be capital gain. Logically, capital gain tax, you are going to study in two ways. One, when an individual like you and me, if we are having a capital gain, so how do we pay tax? And what do you mean by capital gain as well? We will study that also. And how do we differentiate the final result is a capital gain or is a business income? So we will discuss each and everything. But when it comes to capital gain tax, so we are going to study CGT in two ways. If an individual is having a capital gain, then what are the taxation rules? When an organization, a company is having a capital gain, then what are the rules? So CGT, obviously, you will be studying in two ways. Inheritance tax, obviously, only for the individual. When someone is having, you're getting something from your elders in your inheritance, how will you pay tax? So what are the rules for the inheritance tax? So we will study that. Value-added tax, another name is sales tax. Then obviously ethics, corporation tax, and finally self-assessment of individuals as well as corporations. Now, when it comes to kit, obviously majority of the students, they do ask another question, so which kit we are going to follow. So obviously we are going to follow Kaplan Kit from your latest Finance Act 2023. So we are going to follow strictly Kaplan Kit. And from, obviously, when we say Kaplan Kit, it has to be a latest Finance Act 2023. And this Finance Act is still valid for the two attempts, December 24 as well as March 25. In entire ATX and even in the taxation paper, previously, there used to be one topic. I will not say it was a tough topic or a difficult topic, but students, they used to struggle in that topic. Now, the good thing is that topic is eliminated from your syllabus. The name of that topic is basis period. And the second topic which they have eliminated, that is change of accounting date. Both of these topics are eliminated. So now I would say in ATX, even though the two topics which I've mentioned, they were not, I would not say they were very difficult, but student, they used to find little bit, I would say technical little bit. But what ACCA has done, they both of these topics, basis period and change of accounting date, they are no more part of your syllabus. Now, students, if you have any question, you can ask, please, any question. But let me tell you one thing. if you follow all the instructions, so in one attempt, you are going to complete the entire ATX 3 times. Number one, you will be completing the entire ATX within 60 hours. Then just check the efficiency level. Then the same thing you will be, you are going to complete within 18 to 20 hours. And then finally, in a smart crash course within 10 hours, you will be able to complete the entire ATX again. So students, any question, please, you are more than welcome to ask any question. I'm waiting for your questions. Please. Any question relating to ATX? Passing rate of ATX, let me tell you one thing. Obviously, we know that there are 4 professional papers, but out of 4, your first choice should be, I would say, ATX. Why? Passing rate is 47%. The second choice should be AFM. Passing rate is between 46 to 47%. Other optional papers, AAA. Passing rate is 34%. And APM should not be the option, but again, it is. But passing rate is somewhere 34 to 33%. So clearly you can see that ATX passing rate is 47, AFM is more or less the same passing rate. These are the official passing rate of ACCA, and I teach both of the papers. This is not the reason they are having a good passing rates, but it is in front of you. Okay. Sir, we do calculation? Yes. Hi, sir, can I get your contact? I have issue regarding passing ATX and believe you help me. Yes, I will help you. Don't worry at all. Hi, sir. Is there any issue? Yes. All the enrolled students, they will get the schedule of the live revision classes. And let me tell you one more thing regarding the live revision classes. For example, just an example, okay? Let's say we are having a class on Sunday, assuming, or let's say we are having a class on Saturday. At least 3 days before, admin is going to share the timings and plus the topic with you as well. Both the things will be shared with you. Timings and the topic. Timings and topic. Both will be shared with you at least 3 to 4 days before your class. And most of the time what happens, for example, let's assume the first live revision class is coming on this Sunday. So within that live revision class, I will give you the timings and the topic of second live revision class. So most of the time how it works, in a first live revision class, you will get to know that the timings, obviously the timing will be more or less same. Timings and the topic of the second live revision class. Okay, assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm from Cairo and need help in ATX and SBR. Can I attempt both of them in December from you? Yes, you can attempt both of the papers, ATX as well as AFM or SBR, provided that if you have enough time. So main thing is you need to have a really, if you can spare, I would say around 5 to 6 hours on a daily basis, then you can attempt both the papers, ATX and SBR both. And I do teach SBR as well, alhamdulillah. I'm following the study schedule, which started in September. Is that, yes, it's great, and that's great. Just follow the planner. And let me tell you one more thing, students. When you get enrolled yourself at ATX on a very first day, admin will share the planner with you. The benefit of the study planner is, see, study planner works, I would say, as a target. So that gives you a target that how many lectures you are supposed to watch per day, and on a particular date, how many lectures you should complete. So make sure all the enrolled students, they should be having the planner. And obviously, as soon as you get enrolled, admin, they obviously share study planner with each and every student. And let me tell you one more thing. The day you are going to get enroll yourself at Abeel School of Accountancy at ASA, the planner starts from that day. So whatever test and assignments, I don't think any teacher has live classes with tests, homework. I need to know about WhatsApp group. Okay, students. Let me tell you one thing. Number one, I'm going to conduct your test. See, the tests are here, at least 10 tests. And when it comes, I think you might have skipped this area. I said the entire ATX. I'm going to cover the entire ATX through live revision classes as well. But obviously, the main thing is you have to attend the live revision classes. So don't worry at all. You will get enough of the revision, enough of the practice to pass this paper. And evidence is here at the top. You can see this. Obviously, 92 marks, 5th position in the entire world. So for passing, you just need 50. So you students, don't worry at all. All you need is just follow the study planner, follow all the instruction which I'm going to provide you. That's great, sir. Will we get the recording be available of live? Yes, live revision classes. Yes. If a student let's say you have missed live revision class, then number one, on the same day, live revision class gets uploaded on my portal, and after just 3 hours, we don't take more time. Within 2 to 3 hours after the class will be uploaded on the portal. So revision classes will be available on the portal. In case if you miss, even you have not missed, still it will be available so that whenever you want, you can revise. Okay, students, I'm giving you just three more minutes before I end this orientation session. So I would like to be pleased if I could get your contact number. Okay, let me share my contact number quickly. That is my contact number. Let me write. If you are outside Pakistan, then 0092 333 If you are within Pakistan, then those they are within Pakistan. Let me share my ASA admin number as well. Those they are outside Pakistan, 0092 3666214. There's one more number of the admin. Just a minute. Let me give that as well. Recent additions. Okay. Those that are outside Pakistan, 0092 328 284 6117. If you are within Pakistan, then 0333 3666214 0328 284 6117. Students, I have shared my number as well as both the numbers of my admin as well. Any other question? We have just 2 more minutes. Any other question, students? Any other question? Okay. Just we have 2 minutes. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Just last minute before I end the session. And let me just tell you one thing. I take live revision classes religiously. I'm always serious in live revision classes. Serious means serious. Thank you. Very interesting session. Thanks a lot. Okay, students, thank you very much. Hope to see you all. And obviously, number of students they are already enrolled, and remaining, I believe they are going to enroll very soon. So thank you very much. See you all in my first live revision class, which is on this coming Sunday. So thank you very much.